Welcome to MarvelSoft SchoolAdmin Community Edition. Free administration software for your schools. I will explain how to secure your SchoolAdmin Community Edition filled data in this video. And I will show you how to take data backups in our software. Also, we learn how the daily backup works. In this video, I will explain how to secure your SchoolAdmin Community Edition filled data. And I will show you how to take data backups in our software. Why is database backup so important? The purpose of the backup is to create a copy of data that can be recovered in the event of a primary data failure. Having a backup of your data will help you install the new version of Windows and install new devices. Before taking the data folder backup, I will show some filled data in our SchoolAdmin Community Edition software. This is our software login page. The school name and school address are displayed here. Use username as admin and password as admin to login. This is our software homepage. First, I will show you the settings. The all details of the school are present in the school master. Switch Academic contains academic details of the schools. Now I will show you the students' details in this school. Now, I am selecting the first standard student list. The total number of students is 6. Now, I am selecting the second standard student list. The total number of students is 5. Now I am going to show you the first standard student uploaded photo list. I have uploaded 3 student photos for the demo. Now I will show you the student fee payment details. Please select the class, section, and student name Abhishek from the following options to view the first standard Abhishek payment details. For whole class payment details. For the first standard payment list, select class as the first standard and click on Find. For the second standard payment list, select class as second standard and click on Find. Student fee due details can be found in the Fee Dues Details menu. Student ID card details can be found in the Student Report, Student ID card menu. The total number of students in the school details can be found in the Student Report, Student Count Report menu. These are the master's settings. All basic details about the schools are included in it. The student details can be found in the Student Report menu. I will now show you how secure these data are. Stop the SchoolAdmin server and MySchool server before taking a backup of the data folder from the software. We have two methods to stop the server, using the command prompt and the services. I will now show you how to stop the server from using the command prompt. Open the command prompt in administrator mode. Use this command to stop and start the servers. To stop a SchoolAdmin server, sc stop tomcat 6. To stop a MySQL server, sc stop MySQL. To start a SchoolAdmin server, sc start tomcat 6. To start a MySQL server, sc start MySQL. Open the Run dialog box by clicking on Windows plus R buttons. To open the services, type services.msc and then click on Enter. I will now stop SchoolAdmin server from services. I will now stop my SQL server from services. After successfully stop the server from services, go to the software installed folder. Here you can find the software installed path. Here we can find the data folder in the software folder. In some installations, the data folder is present in the MySQL folder. If your data folder is outside the MySQL folder, it can help to save your data folder when you uninstall the software. Now take a copy of the data folder and paste it into another driver safely. I am creating separate folder for pasting the data folder. The data folder has been pasted successfully. Now I am going to uninstall SchoolAdmin service. Use uninstall bat file for uninstalling. While uninstalling, close all opened folders and browser tabs related to SchoolAdmin. After uninstalling, the data folder is still not deleted, because we separated it from the MySQL files. When the software has been successfully uninstalled, delete all related files from the drive. Now I will reinstall the software from using the setup file. This is our SchoolAdmin Community Edition setup file. Double-click on the setup file and follow the instructions to install the software. It is here that you can set the location of the backup folder. Choose Fresh Installation from here. The software is taking some time to install. This is a fresh installation, there is no data in it. Once the installation is complete, the software will open automatically. There is no data in the software, as you can see. It has no school name, student details, fees or fee groups, etc. Now I will show you how to restore the database. I will now replace the data folder from this software folder. Before replacing the file, please stop the both SQL and SchoolAdmin server from the services. I will now stop my SQL server from services. I will now stop SchoolAdmin server from services. Instead of the data folder, place the backup data folder in the software folder. Start both SchoolAdmin and SQL Server once the file has been successfully replaced. Simply reload the browser. The SchoolAdmin software opens with the old data. Student details, master settings, fees details, and more are all imported from the previous database, so you do not need to re-enter them. The settings are also imported from the previous database. Additionally, you have the option of selecting another software installation path. You can proceed by double-clicking the installation setup, clicking Yes, and then clicking Next. Next, click on I agree. Here you can select an installation path. Important note: this only works before installing. Let's take a look at how our daily backup system works in our SchoolAdmin software. What is the difference between backup and daily backup? Manual backup. We take manual backups whenever we want. It is not recommended to use manual backups when the database is corrupted or any data is deleted. Daily backup. After we schedule the time in the task schedule, it will automatically take a backup. Having a daily backup is helpful in case the database is corrupted or any data is lost. I will now show you the daily backup folder. In D drive, Anand MarvelSoft folder, SchoolAdmin software backup folder. Here are the backup files. These are the daily backups of our data folders. Dates are mentioned here. We have a backup batch file, and we have written a script for a daily backup. Where is the backup batch file? Backup file present in the software folder. I will now show you the data backup bat file script. Here is a script we use to backup data folders. The daily backup is taken from the data folder in this location. Next, I will explain the purpose of these data backups. I will now delete some details from the SchoolAdmin software. Go to the software page. In the student menu, I will delete one student's information from this software. Now I am deleting the second standard Viresh student detail. Now the data deleted successfully. In the fee payment details menu, I will also delete the one student fee payment detail. Now the data deleted successfully. Now how can we recover the data? Don't worry if you don't have a manual backup, daily backups are taken automatically. I will restore the data using the daily backup data folder. Student information. Viresh student details are missing here for the second standard student list. Fee payment details. Here we can see that the first standard Sagar admission fee payment has not been shown. Don't worry, now I will show how to recover these data from the daily backup data folder. Now I will stop both my SQL Serve and SchoolAdmin server from services. Now I will go to the backup folder. Here I have taken yesterday's backup data folder. I will now replace the data folder from this software folder. Before replacing the file, please stop the both SQL and SchoolAdmin server from the services. Start both SchoolAdmin and SQL Server once the file has been successfully replaced. Simply reload the browser. The SchoolAdmin software opens with the old data. It takes some time for the page to reload. Log into the software and check the data. Viresh's details have been successfully restored from the database. We also replaced Sagar's fee payment details from the database. Now I will show the batch file script. Here is our batch file. Now I will open this one in Notepad++. This is the location of our software data folder. And this is the backup location of the data folder. Now I will run that command manually, so I will double click on the batch file. It's working perfectly, so as you see, today's date is the 2nd of March 2023. So it's taking backup for today, and it's created a folder name called Community DB Backup the 2nd of March 2023. And now I will take a backup regular basis automatically, so what I have to do is, now I will delete this folder from here. I have to go to the Start menu. Then, I have to put over there Task Scheduler. This one opens that app, and now clicks on Create a Task. In the name text box enter SchoolAdmin, and description is SchoolAdmin Auto Backup. Now I go to Triggers. Here we can set the timing for backup. Click on New. So if you want to take a daily backup, then you have to select here Daily. You can also put here weekly, monthly, and one-time backups. Now I am selecting Daily. Here we can set the timing for backup. I am selecting 12 o'clock. Every day 12 o'clock backup is taken automatically. Now I go to Action. Here we can select a backup batch file. Click on New. And here you have to click on Browse. And go to your software folder. Then select that batch file. Now you have to go to the text box. Here in the front, you have to enter cmd /C. Then click on OK. And then click on Yes. The action script shown like that. Now I will run the program by clicking on Run. See here, the commands are running. It's working perfectly. Compare the timing of backup and system timings. Once you set the task, it takes auto backup daily. Thank you for giving your valuable time to us. If you need more information, please contact with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.